Mm-mm. Oh fuck, Team Red. I wasn't paying attention. Bimp, what's up, bro? I wasn't paying attention, my boy. Girl. Boy, girl. Shit. I forgot. Are you a boy or girl? My bad. You know, I never actually look on people profile to like tell if they're a boy or girl because I know I'm joking, bro. I know you're a boy, man. Yeah, respect for the follow, bro. I'm just here waiting for my Jamaican friend to play this. I don't know if you know this game. It's new. Wagwan. That's a W. That's a W, bro. Team Red. We're gonna take over Tiff stream one day. I'm gonna bring hella Team Red, hella Team Reds, and we're gonna show her what it means to be a Team Red. She's gonna learn. She's gonna learn. Team Red power. Yep. She's gonna learn, bro. Alright. This game is interesting though. Um let's see. Wait, Bimp, you stream as well? I don't know if you're a streamer. I think, cause I know most of the people stream. I don't know if you're one of them. Oh, where's this cord, bro? Oh, I found it. Yeah. Oh, you don't stream. Oh, you just chill. You just watch gameplay. That's cool. Play games. Mm-hmm. I get a vibe. Alright. Let's get in a match. I'm trying to find a good playlist. What's this? Kendrick. Immortal. EDM. Dance. Dancehall. Let's listen to some dancehall. I just got clout for no reason. Damn. Man is like, I just got the riz and I got people and I'm just that nigga. I'm just that nigga. I get that. I get that. I get that you're just that nigga. That's fine. Team Red aura, bro. I always tell people Team Red. They thought I was joking. Alright. Let me see if he's finished now, because I'm ready to play, bro. Oh, they're almost finished. Alright, good. What is this server crap, bro? Yeah, I'm not doing this. This is boring. I thought they told you that the comment is coming. I thought I told you that the comment is coming. You finished? Like millions. US dollar. Battle pass. I'm still running at the battle pass now. What is? Oh, Punisher. Oh, they lost. I'm gonna invite him. Ready now. I thought I told you that the comment is coming. I thought I told you that the comment is coming. Oh my gosh, why would you join our next game, bro? I'm not waiting. I wait too long.
Pick your hero or villain. I'm not judging.
I'm a killer, I'm a killer.
Freedom's an idea that will never die.
Run the matic pan single.
Freedom doesn't come without a fight.
30 seconds before you attack. Get ready.
Get ready.
When it starts, follow my lead. Any questions?
Yeah, the part I'm following.
Clint, good to know you're still a rebel deep down.
Alright, let's go.
The battle starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All you need to do is
Come on, Captain America.
Got it?
Show me what you got, bro.
Whoever they are, they don't look friendly.
That's the boost I needed.
Looks like the mission area is yours to capture now.
Come on, don't hide from me, boy.
That's a real soldier.
Let's go. No jokes today, bro.
That's the boost I needed.
Oh, he's dead.
Hostile forces incoming. See, Clint, I knew it. Let's dance.
Come on, dude. Oh, shit.
You've captured more than half of the mission area. Keep going.
Yo, he almost killed me.
This.
Super soldier cryo.
Your powers are mine.
Oh, fuck.
Hell unleashed!
2 points for the talking team.
Stand down. Hold the fort, soldiers.
Glory is almost yours.
No.
I'll be ship-shape in no time.
We'll have to keep fighting until we have a winner.
Here's where we hit next.
Let's go.
I'm doing this my way.
Mode.
That's how we do it, bro. No joke. Winning every game, every game I win today, bro. Like, me even a joke anymore. Like,
I
done-
do the
done
absolute
playing around,
best
bro.
I can every time.
Last night was crazy, so none of that tonight.
30 seconds before you attack. Get ready.
What is this thing? I don't know what you're... You know what? Never mind. Just bite the bad guys.
Whoa. These chronal energy readings are gonna blow out your sensors, Spider.
The battle starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All you need to do is capture the mission area. Got it?
Wasn't paying attention. Come in, team. I had to fix something.
Let's dance. This nightmare has Solus fingerprints all over it. Sorry, soldier.
Looks like the mission area is yours to capture now.
You can always count on me, partner. Stand down. We don't need kings and shady gods.
Just wasn't your day. Capture the
Come on,
mission
guys.
area.
I thought you guys were healing me.
I'll patch you up.
Oh, that guy is annoying, bro. Scarlet, witch girl. Come in.
That's the boost I needed.
You finally wake up, old man?
Stand down.
Your powers!
Holy shit. So much going on, bro.
Control lost. Their team's capture progress has passed the halfway point.
Come on, team. Get it together.
Just in the nick of time.
They've almost got it.
That's not good, bro. Yo, this girl is always in the back line, like. Jesus, I didn't even see her, bro. I'm not gonna lie to you.
You'll have to keep fighting until we have a winner.
She's almost dead, bro. But she's still alive. Come on, good job, good job. Keep it up. Guys, keep it up, keep it up, keep it up. I'm coming, I'm coming, I'm coming. Spin me out, bro. Spin me out, spin me out. Good job.
Dance.
Glory is almost yours.
Bro, when the block me in the shit, bro. I couldn't move. Serious? You know what caused that?
Hold the fort,
We got
soldiers.
company.
Control lost.
I tried holding on as much as I could, bro. But whoever trolled me right there and blocked me in. Yeah. Last round, let's go. Lock in. Lock in, Chris. Lock in, lock in, lock in. Bozo mode.
I fight for more than a
Metaverse
flag.
need funds.
I fight for an idea. One bigger than all of us.
Lock in, guys.
This spot.
Probably about 2
30 seconds
healers.
before you attack. Get ready.
That's a yes.
Worse than I thought. We need to do this fast.
We also need to do this right, Clint. Now lead the way.
When will these madmen learn that reality isn't their plaything?
Freedom's an idea that will never die.
The battle starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All you need to do is capture the mission area. Got it?
I'll make them pay. Let's dance. Enemy ahead. Prepare to engage. Stand down.
Turn around.
I was waiting for you.
Let freedom ring.
Yo, hey, she thinks she's slick. Look at her.
Stand down.
This is real firepower!
Control lost.
Yo, this girl came out. The hell is that, bro? This girl lady go hard, bro. Bro, we need healers, bro. Baby Shark has ult.
That's the boost I needed. You're on the wrong side. Coming through.
Your team's capture progress has passed the halfway point.
That's a real soldier.
Control seized. Let me help. You've captured more than half of the mission area. Keep going.
Your powers are mine!
I'll be shipshape in no time.
Control lost.
Sorry, soldier.
This is real firepower!
The perfect hex. Yeah! They've almost got it.
Let's dance. That's the boost I needed. Take this.
Keep fighting until you have a winner.
Coming through.
It's not good. Bro, probably if we had two healers, too late now, bro. You guys should have picked two healers long time. I don't know why we have 3 DPs. I'm not even talking to
Well,
them,
you can't expect to win them all.
bro. Bro, the enemy team has 2 healers, right? Why we don't have 2 healers? You know what I mean? Like, simple logics, bro. But at least that's why I need to hurry up and come out to this elo. She's tight, bro. She's tight. Tight. But it's alright. We continue.
Alright, in case I see already.
Hey, I will listen to some different shit, bro.
You'll need a top-notch team to win
Just
this
relax
one.
my mind and win games. That's the aim for tonight. Relax the mind, win games. Don't worry about anything. Life is short. Be happy. Yep.
Freedom's an idea that will never die.
Que
got the fatty. Wanna be calling me daddy. Top 5 nasty. You ain't even gotta ask me. If you wanna pull up, you say get fucked, it's the happy. Got that pussy fucking wet, fuck up fucking wet. Pussy seems like one. All it took was one touch. Knock out one.
I fight for more than a flag. I fight for an idea. One bigger than all.
30 seconds before you attack. Get ready.
Loki shall prevail.
Warlock, old buddy. Hey, you look good. You got fools. You can stop my grand scheme.
Perhaps I should focus my cosmic power on more important matters.
The battle starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Help get that vehicle to its destination.
That's the boost I need.
Oh, I'm fine. Don't mind me.
Take this! Stand down!
Double KO.
Let's dance!
That's 3.
You're relieved of duty.
Now that was awesome.
You're halfway there. Keep going.
Sorry,
True team player.
Almost there. Don't turn back now.
I'll be ship in no time.
In time.
Vehicle reached a checkpoint. Keep up the momentum.
Stand down!
Maximum pulse!
This is real firepower.
Who's behind you, my ally?
That's the boost I needed.
Bring on the chaos.
Captain America,
Stands
calling
with
for
you.
medical assistance.
Rise, my
Starting
friend.
to get into the swing. Not in control. Coming through. Take this.
You let dark.
You're halfway there. Keep going.
Stand down. That's the boost I needed.
Maximum pulse!
Here they come.
Behold! Dark child!
I require these come in real handy. I'll be ship shape in no time. You're gonna catch. America never surrenders.
Almost there. Don't turn back now.
I am at your service.
Render me assistance.
Take this.
The vehicle reached a checkpoint.
him. I am ready to put on a show.
Let's dance. Get
The
in
gods
there.
themselves are counting on us.
Stand down. These come in real handy.
Damn. That's my first death. Alright, it's fine, it's fine, it's fine. We got this, we got this, we got this. Let's go.
Get that vehicle moving again!
That's the boost I needed.
Sounds quick!
Right behind you.
Clear the way to the world.
Maximum pulse.
Oh god. I died, bro.
Need some help. I like the cold.
Heavenly fury.
Crazy how they have 2 tanks and we have 1. But we're doing fine.
That's the boost I needed.
Don't let anything stand in your way.
By the eye of Agamotto.
Oh. That ult is nice. I like how it looks.
I am ready to put on a show.
Rise, Viking.
We're outnumbered. Sorry.
Pulse charge.
No way he got me, bro. What is he gonna do? Okay.
Can't beat Battlefield. You can always count on me, partner.
Still the world tour.
Let's save this.
Behold the god of thunder! Sorry, soldier. That's the boost I need.
Your dog is suffering.
Maximum pulse.
Oh. Iron Man ult.
Maximum pulse.
Okay. Bro, they're trying so hard not to let us cross right there. It's actually crazy.
That's the boost I need.
Our destiny awaits.
Another epic victory!
I know that I fucked up, baby. Can I get a second chance? I know that I fucked up.
Wait, is this not ranked?
I know that I fucked up, baby. Won't play with you again. Won't play with you again. I know that I fucked up, baby. Can I get a second chance?
Oh my god. Alright, let's go for real.
Fucked up, baby. Can I still be a man?
I put in all that work for a normal game. Oh god. Tilted. That was a good game though. It was was just killing them like crazy. Super. You got
The red heroes can make all the difference.
Freedom's an idea that will never die.
Round one.
This is war. We keep fighting until we can't fight
They'll be coming in
anymore.
30 seconds. Stay strong.
Really the goddess of the underworld?
Why? Would you like a tour? I warn you, entering is easier than leaving.
The battle starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You have to stop them from securing the mission area.
That's the boost I needed. Sorry, soldier. Get in there. Stand down. Captain is down. I am strengthened for battle. The bishop. Sorry, soldier.
Let's go.
In there. Stand down.
Come on, keep dying like that, bro. Is it that I'm not getting heals? Doctor Strange, man. How does he just kill me like that, bro? Like it's nothing.
Sorry, soldier.
This man is moving like the Doctor Stranger.
I'm ready to put on a show.
Bro, I died so quick, bro. It's not even.
Bring on the chaos.
That's the boost I needed.
Nice. That's a good ult.
Pentagram of Haran. Take this. Sorry, soldier.
Just like I saw it see double KO.
There they are. I like the
I'll
color.
be ship-shape in no time. Catch.
I'm hurt.
Let's dance. These come in real handy.
Look out behind you.
Only 60 seconds left.
By the eye.
This is so dumb. Bro, how is that gameplay, bro?
Sorry, soldier.
Down to 30 seconds.
Get in there. Take this.
I had ult and I never ult. I'm so dumb, bro. My bad, I should have ulted, bro. Nice, nice. That's clutch.
Sorry, soldier.
Keep fighting until we have a winner.
Sorry, soldier.
The current score is 0-0.
Alright.
Time to switch things up,
We got
including
this.
which side you're on.
We just need to capture the zone. That's
You'll
all.
need a
And we win.
top-notch team to win this one.
Freedom's an idea that will never die.
And I'ma go fuck me another. And this bitch really a MILF. Honestly speaking, I'm fucking a mother. And we could be friends for the night. But I'm sorry, I can't be your lover. And I'ma just give it a pipe. I honestly move like a puppet. So many hoes on my body, and honestly speaking, I need a decision. This bitch does good, but this one seeing the vision. This one really move proper, but this one really be bitching.
Round 2, go!
I fight for more than a flag. I fight for an idea. One bigger than all of us.
30 seconds before you attack. Get ready.
My team is so cringe. You need to die for that. Haha. True.
Divinity on you, mortal.
Like, bro, what?
I remember him well. We were nearly lovers once.
The battle starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Don't forget, securing the mission area is your top priority.
Let's dance. Sorry, soldier. Get him there.
You need me.
You want to protect your rule.
Sorry, soldier. Stand down. God, you smiled on us.
Easy win. Let's go, team.
Final score.
W
1,
team.
2, 0.
W team. Hey. W team. W team, bro.
Epic victory.
Let's go. We're going. Hey, we're ranking up today, guys. I feel it. Enoto. We did it. Almost there. See, we're getting back. Going all the way back. Tell me why. Tell me why, girl.
Pick your hero or villain. I'm not judging.
Freedom's an idea that will never die.
Oh, you're a bitch for going Captain America. No cap, bro.
I do the absolute best
It's a new
I
meta,
can
bro.
every time.
Get used to
30
it, bro.
seconds before you attack. Get ready.
We know we should hate you, Spider, but we are having trouble remembering why.
Really, Eddie? After all the times you've tried to ruin my life, I'm hurt.
I fear this time stream entanglement has left our memories in...
The battle starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All you need to do is capture the mission area. Got it?
This feels like an Avengers gig. Does that mean I've made it to the big league?
Catch! Coming through!
Wanna play with a real fighter, man?
He's coming real handy.
Looks like the mission area is yours to capture now.
Alright, bro. I won't leave you in the heat like that, bro. I got your back, bro. Don't die. What the hell?
He's coming real handy.
Don't die, guy.
The mission area is yours.
Sorry, soldier.
The area's under control.
Let's dance.
Somebody disconnected. Okay. That's how games should be. We shouldn't suffer. Restart the game. I like how this game is. I like how this game is moving, bro. Yeah, let's restart the game. The game doesn't take long. Doesn't take long to get in that match too, so that's good.
What if you down the table? How the fuck I'm gonna save you? And you know you can't start out an angel. You just gonna leave me with the demons. They only care about seeming. To the gang, they play.
You'll need a top-notch team to win this one.
I pray for a good girl stuck with a slut. Don't care if it's real or fake, cause that butt feel great. Now let's just upgrade your cups. You wanna be like that bitch on the TV, I'll make you like her. Shit getting way too cozy up here, I won't give it up. Baby, I'll make you that. 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 Baby, I'll...
Freedom's an idea that will never die.
Round 1,
If we don't stand up for what's right, who will?
30 seconds before you attack. Get ready.
No one escapes hell.
Though I did several times. Love.
The battle starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Don't forget, securing the mission area is your top priority.
Yo, this song.
That's the boost I needed.
Tiny metal creatures skittering about. I can feel them.
Let's dance. Sorry, soldier.
Jesus. That's not good. I think I was disconnected too much from my team, that's one.
Dance. More foes to conquer. Another shield. Thanks.
It's spider time!
The core is at your service, my friend.
An enemy.
Let's dance.
Gather around! Get that vehicle moving again!
Fatal attraction. Robotic spiders.
Come on, team. We can't lose this. Oh, he's so lucky.
Destroy the nest.
Your powers are mine!
Coming through. Take this. Two's better than one, I guess. Careful. Namor's called in friends.
Vehicle reached the checkpoint. Keep up the momentum.
Dance. Hostile forces incoming. Sorry, soldier.
Follow this enemy.
Magneto!
Board again! I'll be ship shaking no one. Sorry, soldier. Heads up, invaders from the deep.
That's it! Don't let anything stand in your way.
Coming through the yard. And stay down.
Double KO!
I'll be ship shape in no time.
Friends, gather around! So close! This is your big chance! Didn't you?
Hell and leave! Powers are mine!
Let's go.
The current score is 3-2-0. Time to switch things up, including which
That's
side
how we do it,
you're on.
guys. We're doing well. Like, we're doing well. Went
The right heroes
Went
can
all
make
the way.
all the difference.
That was a rough game, though. These games, bro, these games are sweaty. You have to be in it.
Round 2,
I fight for more than a flag. I fight for an idea. One bigger than all of us. Sorry, soldier.
They'll be coming in 30 seconds. Stay strong.
So you say.
The battle starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You have to stop them from securing the mission area.
You want to protect
I'll be ship-shaping.
the captain.
Fuck. That's my fault. I shouldn't have died. Don't die, guys. Okay, so that guy's there.
I never stay down. Sorry, soldier.
Another soul to join my legion.
Take this. That's the boost I needed. Stand down. So that's Vibranium's true power. Catch.
Enemy approaching.
I was wondering where I was getting shot from. But I seen. He's like hiding in the little. Bro. Look at him.
Stand down. I'll be ship-shape in no time.
Could be done.
Friends, gather around. Us against the world.
This is real firepower!
Like a business.
Battlefield radio behind us.
Ah, he ate that character, bro. Come on, boys.
Sorry, soldier.
Baby Sasuke, we're going bozo mode, girl.
For mutant. Let's dance. Sorry, soldier. That's the boost I needed. Stand down.
Yo, get rid of the Hulk. Nice.
Grow stronger. Only 60 seconds left.
Uh-huh. You're mad. Uh-huh. He's mad. Alright, boys. This is a big place, boys. Get ready. Big plays. Let's go. Off the hook. Oh, they're trying to group.
Enemy combatant.
Down to 30 seconds.
This spot is worth monitoring.
Soon they will fail if we stay strong.
Let's dance. Sorry, soldier.
I need assistance.
Two's better than one, I guess.
Final 10 seconds.
Let's dance. Stand down.
You're frozen. We'll have to keep fighting until we have a winner.
We're gonna do what we have.
Oh, let's go, bro. I want to them boy, bro. I want to them. I want to them. I'm gonna change my title, Captain Jamaican Bozo mode.
Victory!
Captain Jamaica Bozo mode. That's better. Bozo mode in this. Silver 3? Hey. Bozo mode, bro. Let's go. I blocked 22k damage, bro. Good, bro. Hey, Amber, I need some liquor. I need some liquor, girl. I got the Appleton Estate, Jamaican. You know this? You don't know about Appleton Estate. You don't know about Appleton Estate. Real Jamaican. Real Jamaican. It is. It is real Jamaican, bro. Don't play with it. It's 40%. Don't play with it. Don't play with it, girl. Don't play with this. I don't even see it. Is it showing properly, guys? Let me see if I can. Too much light. Let me see if I can fix it. Hold on.
You'll need a top-notch team to win this one.
This didn't make that much of a difference. I guess not. But you know what time it is. Time to get lit.
Freedom's an idea that
It's time to get
will
lit,
never
guys.
die.
There you go. You know what time it is.
Round one.
Wait, which song is this again? The original song. Is it that YKSR song?
Get ready.
Wait, I need to put the song so you guys can
Always
see.
comes down to us, doesn't it?
My bad.
That's because we
I
always
got you.
answer the bell.
I guess so. My old man always said 90% of life is just showing up.
Yep. And here we are.
The battle starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Timmy Doe spotted that guy.
That's the boost I needed.
You play a good game, then you get matched with noobs.
Help get that vehicle to its destination.
This is dumb, bro. Like, you see what I'm talking about? Everyone wants to be DP, but then, okay, we got 2 healers now. Alright. I don't know why we need 4. Why do we need 4 damage dealers? We need healers too, bros. You guys want to win? Not everyone can play damage. That's why I'm playing tank, because everyone wants to be. Who's that walking?
Take this. That's the boost I needed. Here they
This
are.
team is trash, bro. Alright. Not good.
Get that vehicle moving again.
can't do anything, bro. You're gonna play in a bot game, bro. But my teammates, I don't know. I don't know. Thank you. This works better. There's no way I'm dead already, bro. There's no way I'm dead already. What's the issue right now? Our DPS has 0 kills both. What is going on? You?
Just in the nick of time.
Thank you. I feel like I'm playing with noobs, honestly. Yo, you see the difference between this game and the last game? Is actually crazy. Oh shit. Alright, so we see the problem. Yeah, reported this guy, bro.
Let's dance. Reality isn't gonna save itself. Let's roll. Coming through. That's the boost I needed.
Only 60 seconds left.
The number. You're never alone. Coming through. Armed and dangerous.
Down to 30 seconds.
These come in real handy. Stand down. Martin, try it. Assemble!
10 seconds.
Oh, what kind of team?
Assemble!
This man disconnected. Yeah, get me out of this game, bro.
Score is 0.
Bro, get me out of this game, bro.
0.
Why we have a DC'd person,
Time to
bro?
switch things up, including which side you're on.
This game is.
The right heroes can
Pause the
make
music.
all the difference.
Freedom's an idea
Nah.
that will never die.
This music is for when we're doing good. Can't play this. I'm report this guy, bro. Oh no, you want to join back? Hmm? Think he's slick.
Round 2,
I
go!
was always meant to be a soldier. Sorry, soldier.
Let's go.
They'll be coming in 30 seconds. Stay strong.
So let you too. I'm an animal. Annabelle. Bro, why is okay?
The battle starts
For
in
sure.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Let's dance. That's the boost I need.
I don't think the healers know how to heal.
They've got him. Sorry, soldier.
Trash team, man.
I have
Trash.
Final score.
Trash team.
0.
That's not, bro. That game doesn't call. Yo, that game doesn't count, man.
Well, you can't expect to win them all.
I'm supporting you guys, bro. Get me out this game, bro. For sure. When does the league season end? December? You have proven it. You have been a great attention away from a faction with top tier player like yourself and strive for good Marvel Trevor. Winners are also, huh? I've proven myself? Sign me up. Oh, some silver. Let me ask the boys if they're playing. The boys.
Fucking in the kitchen, we ain't even make it to the master room. Met her in the trader, switch, she's looking different, and she tatted too.
Oh, they're watching movies. What the hell? Yo.
No,
yo,
get him out.
Yo, when I watch Arcade? Finally.
Yeah.
About
Jesus.
time. Ryan, I remember Ryan. Quinty, you know watched already?
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Christ.
I mean, they're only watching like 1 or 2, so.
Quinty, man, I need to top up my stream. Thanks.
Dog, what?
Whoa.
That is it. Dervin? Wait, Dervin doesn't say no about Twitch. I free. Quinty, man, I want you to top up my Twitch stream, bro. Yo, what going, bro? Chris, no good. That's what I want to see. That's what I want to see. I want to prove my haters wrong. You know what they call me? Billy. There's a derv know about them place here. TikTok boss. Nah, the TikTok boss. The girl them boss. The girl them boss. Yeah, make sure you know some evil over here, son.
She acting gangster, she want me to slap her. Ay, street nigga not like a rapper. I don't be capping, but bitch, I'm a capper. She wanna know my life like I need her with me, I just might nap her. She be living the nightlife. Tell her hop on the post, I just might add her. Tell her hoe she don't know me though. She not though. Real fans look at me like Pac though. Still game.
Of course, I know about this, bro. Yeah, I just grow my Twitch, bro. I know how long TikTok I got last. Twitch. That's it. Twitch have a thing. That's it.
Would you look at us? The man out of time and the cyborg assassin.
They've sure come a long way from Brooklyn, Steve.
But as long as we've still got a little Brooklyn inside of us, Buck, I have a feeling we'll be just fine.
The battle starts in 5,
4,
3, 2, 1. You have to stop them from securing the mission area.
Enemy ahead. Prepare to engage. Catch. That's the boost I needed. Stand down.
No way I died like that. Bro, what? Bro, I don't even know what's going on anymore, bro. Why this guy has 3 kills? I need to get rid of the Hawkeye, bro.
Coming through.
Like I said, bro. I'm gonna make sure it's set. Hold on. Yo, that give me up. Yo.
I'll be ship-shape in no time. Stand down.
I am ready to put on a show.
No, the healer. Here goes, right? Deadlight, dog. I try to hold them up, but them are going to kill. This is not good, you know? This not look good. Hold on. Let me see what going on. For them DP. Oh, them have 4 DP, bro. Nah, it's reduced stretch. Ah! Nudge. You really want that stretch, bro? A little Cool J stretch or like Gym Boy stretch? Hold on. I want that.
I'll be ship-shape in no time.
Dog, what kill me? No, I'm not going there, so bro. Thor, anytime you're ready.
Good thinking, Lord.
Freaking healer, bro.
Sorry, soldier.
Bro, it's like I'm not hitting them.
I'll be ship-shape in no time.
Against the world. Take a look behind.
Let's dance. Stand down.
Bro, I can't get to these healers. They're just...
I feel like myself again.
Here's the music. Next song.
You stopped them in their tracks.
Before she even had it,
Nice.
she was 21. I don't see a savage.
Come on, guys.
I am ready to put on a show.
Sorry, soldier. Quite the power, sir. That's the boost I need. Woo! Never miss. I wish I had done it myself.
Nice.
Enemy ahead. Prepare to engage. Take this. I need a medic.
But I was in a cut. Hey, look at my cut.
This is not good, guys. I can't ever get in, like, I'm trying to go into the back line, but it's not working. That's alright. It's alright. I got catch some. You know, my team is new, bro. I don't usually struggle. So what's going on?
Can't beat battlefield medicine. Stand down. I am Asgard's might. Good thinking, Thor.
No, that more. Get rid of that screw girl there. Out. Oh, how is this man just killing me? What a luck, bro. I'm not... Let's go, guys. We're not giving them a win, bro. Come, team. I'm out in.
Not quite ready for action. That's the boost I need.
Us against the world.
He's coming real catch.
She cannot die. What am I do?
Extra protection.
Not good.
Fuck nigga wanna get fired on. Start your nigga up, put the iron on.
Let's go.
Asgard's might!
Only 60 seconds left. It's now or never. Stop them.
Coming through. Just in the nick of time.
Down to 30 seconds.
Bro, somehow that guy always killing me. He's the only one that's always killing me.
10 seconds.
It's like, what?
You'll have to keep fighting until we have a winner.
Leave them to consume!
Sorry, soldier.
Us against the world! I am ready to put on a show!
Let's dance. I'll be ship-shape in no time.
I am Asgard's might!
Can't beat battlefield medicine. Oh, I'm fine. Take this. Strike down. You think I'm too old for this?
Leave them to Khonshu!
Nice.
The power.
Nice.
I still need you. Catch. I'll be ship-shape in no time.
The current score is
Nice.
0-2.
Now, guys, all we have to do is put the point at 3.
Time to switch things up, including which side you're on.
I don't like this sniper, this arrow guy. I need to get rid of
You'll
him.
need a top-notch team.
It's kind of
to
hard
win this
because he's
one.
getting healed like crazy.
Never die.
Man getting heals like crazy, bro.
I don't care if I offend you. I can read you like a Kindle. I can read you like a book. And no, I'm not eating no pussy. I just came in here to look. She's trying to give me that cookie, booty bigger than a bus. It's us. It's the least you trust. She gotta eat the
Round 2, go!
This is war. We keep fighting until we can't fight anymore.
Never yours. She for us.
Seconds before you attack. Get ready.
Thor, we're gonna need a little Asgardian muscle.
A little? I brought a lot!
The battle starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Don't forget, securing the mission area is your top priority.
What I hear about this Doom character, I don't think I'm gonna like him very much.
Hostile forces incoming. I'll be ship-shape in no time.
I missed everything. I can't believe I missed everything, bro. I didn't deserve to die.
That one hurts.
I'll stay with my team. That slow push with somebody like Root.
This spot is worth monitoring. Wakanda's own version of the super soldier serum. Quite the power surge! Back in the fight. Get in there.
Not myself.
He's coming real handy. Sorry, soldier. No, I'm fine.
Yo, their team is playing really well with healing. Like, their healers go crazy, bro.
I'm his favorite lady.
Hey, Teeny! Enjoy the amplifier!
Sorry, soldier.
I am ready to put on a show.
Only 60 seconds left.
Behind us.
Coming through.
Rise, my friend!
You may be my
Hell unleashed!
I found one.
Oh no!
Down to 30 seconds.
Nice.
That's the boost I needed.
The clock will call you cowards.
Nice.
Do not attack.
Let's go.
Help get that vehicle to its destination.
I died 12 times, bro.
You get a weapon, you get a weapon, you get a weapon!
I play someone like Hulk, though. That's what I'm wondering. If I die again, I play Hulk. Oh, Spider-Man is getting hard.
Sorry, soldier. I'll be ship-shape in no time. Can't beat battlefield medicine.
I want your soul.
Can't beat battlefield medicine. Take this! You're on the wrong side. He's coming real handy.
Only 60 seconds left.
Gods are there.
Watch out!
Oh shit!
Down to 30 seconds.
Let's dance. We're in this together.
Vehicle reached the checkpoint. Keep up the momentum.
Looks like you were outranked, soldier.
Here's this life.
Stand down. That's the boost I needed. Sorry, soldier.
I am ready to put on a show. That's it. Don't let anything stand in your way. Only 60 seconds left.
Into the you guys. Come on, don't play with me, team. We're going for the win, guys. Almost there. I got ult soon.
Not quite ready for action.
Down to 30 seconds.
Nice.
Stand down.
Good job. Good job.
Score 3, 2, 2.
Good job. What the hell is this advertising crap?
Another epic victory. Big win.
Alright, good job. Let's go, let's go. Let's go. That's really good. That's really good. That is good, bro. Silver, bro. We're coming out to silver with this. At this rate, we're coming out to silver. No joke. At this rate. Boza mode too. On top of that, you know, crazy.
Pick your hero or villain. I'm not judging.
Freedom's an idea that will never die.
Why do we have 3 tongues? Nice.
I do the absolute best I can every time.
30 seconds before you attack. Get ready.
Wizard! I thought you were imprisoned on another plane.
Nobody can keep me locked up for long.
Ha! That's what I said in the Tower of Solitude.
I know. Loki might have cast a spell of silence in the tower, but I could hear you loud and clear on the
The battle starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All you need to do is capture the mission area. Got it?
This spot is worth monitoring.
Come back.
Valhalla.
Come back.
I got distracted.
Mm-hmm. That Netflix, huh?
So what did we think about?
We're gonna jump in.
Enemy.
That's the boost I needed.
Looks like the mission area is yours to capture now.
chick shaking no time. Stand down.
Mission area is yours.
Yes.
Excellent teamwork. Coming through.
We are undefeatable.
Sorry, soldiers.
Where's my team, bro? What's happening? Am I the only one there?
The fat lady isn't singing yet. Coming through.
Control seized. Not spooky Liz.
I'm opening a portal.
Yes. One down.
A shortcut to space.
Captured more than half of the mission area. Keep going.
Forces incoming. Coming through. I need a medic. Just in the nick of time. Stand down.
A nice control lost. Past the halfway point. Need help.
Need a little boost. That treat was real.
Mantis strikes.
And we need a DPA. Might need another.
Starting to get into the swing of it.
The moon haunts you!
Sorry, soldier.
Resist.
Fucking group, bro.
Stand down.
So not.
We are undefeatable.
Tandy needs help.
Still have to keep fighting until we have a winner.
Just in the
That's crazy.
freedom doesn't come without a
I know
fight.
DP's going hard, but I don't. But let me see. I'm trying to think of what to do in this situation.
30 seconds before you attack. Get ready.
That's fine.
Thor,
Just have to play
we're
better.
gonna need a little Asgardian muscle.
A little?
Just have to play better, bro.
I brought a lot.
I've seen some weird stuff in my day, but this time, Hullabaloo?
I'm watching now win this round. This is a scary game, bro. I have to win this round or lose. I'm at silver 3 right now, bro. Almost silver 2.
4, 3, 2, 1. All you need to
The
do
thing
is
is, yes, we have a good team, but I don't know. We keep.
It's like a fairy tale.
Alright, let's see how this plays out.
Complete with an evil usurper.
Hostile forces incoming. Let's dance. I'll be ship-shaking no time. Mystical artifact of some sort. Let's dance.
The missionary is yours to capture now.
Unleashed!
I'll be ship-shape in no time. Stand down. Hostile forces incoming.
Bro, I jumped. This is dumb. He's gonna commit suicide. What kind of BS is this, bro? Yo, that's so BS. It's not even funny. They need to nerf that. Like, lower the time or something. Ready? Come, tank. Let's go. Let's go.
We are undefeated.
Our teammate almost killed.
Haunts you.
Break this trophies.
I totally rock that.
Our adversaries gather.
Glad to help.
This.
You captured more than half of the mission area. Keep going.
Tremble before fast.
My bad. Yeah, that's my bad. That's my bad. Yeah, but my bad. I went too deep, bro.
Control lost.
No. We're not losing this, bro.
That's the boost I needed.
Just embrace the light.
An opportunity. The team's capture progress is past the halfway point.
A feast for my crows!
I'm a soldier. This is war.
Control seized. The area's almost yours.
I'll be ship-shape in no time. Coming
Let's keep fighting until we have a winner.
That's what you get for reading my mind, Mantis.
Let's go. Third round. Let's go. We're not joking, bro. F Jeff, bro.
I was always meant to be a soldier.
I recommend I'm on with a toast.
30 seconds before you attack. Get ready.
I recommend you live with the truth is.
I knew you in another time.
Wouldn't surprise me.
You were a great leader and an example to all warriors. I would be proud to
fight with you. All right then. Welcome to the Resistance.
The battle starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All you need to do is capture the mission area. Got it?
All right. If anyone needs me, I'll be in my iceberg. That was a joke. I can joke too, you know.
Oh, they do not look happy.
Sorry, soldier.
Looks like the mission area is yours to catch now.
Mystical artifact of some sort. Let's dance. I'll be ship-shaking.
We are undefeatable!
Not myself.
As expected.
There's one on fair, probably more.
Coming through.
That's crazy. You got his ults?
You think I'm
You guys playing well though. Keep it up, keep it up. Come on, get the point, get the point, get the point. I'm coming.
not quite ready for action?
Nice.
I'll bet this is Moon Knight's doing.
Down on their head.
Catch! Thunder God bringing the boom.
Let's do this. Sorry, soldier.
Nice, good job, good job, good job.
Excellent teamwork.
Come on, boys, winning this.
I'll be ship-shape in no time. Let's do this. Thunder God bringing the boom. Sorry, soldier.
Co-op time.
Tammy needs help.
Sorry, soldier.
That's 3.
Suit looks good on you, Tony.
Let's go. That is it. Oh, who is it?
As expected.
Our adversaries gather.
Let's dance.
The area is almost yours.
Not myself.
Come on.
Not quite ready for action. This is our
Force
attack.
is in preparation.
That's the boost I needed.
We are undefeatable!
Come on. Nice. Good job, good job, good job. Good job, good job. Good job. We did it, guys. We did it, man.
Another epic victory! Big win!
What do you mean, store? I blocked 38k damage. Hold up. Let me check my achievement thing. Easy games, bro. We win all games, bro. All games. Alright, let's go again. Almost silver 2, bro. I thought we were at silver 2 already, but we're not. Gold, platinum, diamond, grandmaster turn. Wow. Bro, there's so much. 1, 2. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 more ranks to go. Yo, this is like League of Legends, bro. Why is there so much?
You'll need a top-notch team to win this one.
Freedom's an idea that will never die.
Round 1.
I fight for more than a flag. I fight for an
30
idea.
seconds before you attack.
One bigger
Get
than
ready.
all of us.
That's a mighty big web. Does it hide giant spiders?
Sure. Shouldn't bother you though, right? Black Widow? Kidding! All we have to worry about is interdimensional attacks that will end reality.
The battle starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
So it begins.
Fucking Iron Man, bro. Holy.
That vehicle to its destination.
Who are you guys fighting? Oh, that hurts.
Battlefield medicine. Sorry, soldier.
Stop healing. Oh, I'm dead. Help! 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 Help. Oh shit! Oh, I'm not dead. I'm not dead yet. I'm not dead yet. I will live. Who is hitting me from over here, bro? Oh, you. Okay, this girl is BS, bro. I realize my team died. Alright, we got this, we got this, we got this. We got this.
Get that vehicle moving again.
Catch.
Don't worry, Spider. Not gonna let anybody stop us.
Team, let's go.
Sorry, soldier. What on earth has name on? That's the boost I needed. Can't beat battlefield medicine.
Bro, what?
You got white blue on your side.
The freak is that?
I am ready
ready to put on.
Bro, what is going on? Alright, lucky. This freaking Penny Parker is the most annoying character in the game. Nice. Oh, but we have a Penny Parker too? Go. I'm with you.
These spiders are cute, but deadly.
Sorry, soldier.
What the fuck? Who is that? Kill him. Oh my god, bro. I feel like I played a suicide mission every time. Oh, my team is doing well though. See, I'm making the plays for them.
Coming through.
Almost there. Don't turn back now.
Am I lagging? Not lagging, right?
The perfect hit.
Nice, he killed him.
Reach the checkpoint. Keep up the momentum.
I'll be ship-shape in no time. These come in real handy. Sorry, soldier.
Kill that Penny Parker crap, bro. Go run. Go run. Why are you running, son? Come back. What is wrong with him? Why is he running from me? I just want to like talk about your warranty. Extended warranty, bro. That's all.
That's the boost I needed.
I am ready to put on a show.
Oh hell no. Hold on. This guy uses ult and I was running from him and then he came into the ult as well. And he died. What the? It's never that serious, guys. Please. I'm just a League of Legends player.
Sorry, soldier.
Think I don't see ya? Where you running? Don't run.
That's the boost I needed.
Okay.
They're right behind you.
Found you. Stop it.
Almost there. Don't turn back now.
Guys, kinda need a heal.
I am ready to put on a show.
I've spotted them. I've spotted them.
Only 60 seconds left.
What the fuck? I was almost there. Oh, bro. The hell, bro.
Never thought I'd have to. We need to move.
Come on, guys. Let's go. Get it together. We got 20 seconds left. Touch the point.
Sorry, soldier.
Final 10 seconds.
These come in real handy.
Get that vehicle moving again. The current score is 1-2.
I didn't realize it was 10 seconds. What was I doing, bro?
Time to switch things up, including which side you're on.
I just needed my ult right there. Bad my
Right heroes could make all the difference.
Freedom's an
Alright.
idea that will never die.
Let's go. I think we can stop them. We had one healer, that's why? I didn't even check. We had one healer? Alright, it's fine. We got this. Come on, team.
Round 2, go!
If we don't stand up for what's right, who will?
They'll be coming in 30 seconds.
Alright, let's go.
Stay strong.
I'm not eager to put another life at risk on the battlefield.
Cap, Spider will protect me.
I certainly hope so. I won't let you become another Bucky.
If I end up a super cool cyborg assassin, I promise I won't blame you. Deal. The battle starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
I spy some bad guys.
That's the boost I
One
needed.
shot is all I need.
You need to stop that vehicle in its tracks.
Stand down!
You're on your tail.
Coming through! Catch! Let's dance!
I am ready to put on a show. Enemy tag.
I thought she was healing me.
My magic is
That's why I jumped to her.
better stop that vehicle.
Come, guys. Let's not stuck up. I'm ulting.
Starting to get into the swing of things. Take this!
You wrote a check you couldn't cash.
You're welcome!
It's party time!
Stand down! Catch!
There's an Iron Man in the roof. He's probably doing hella damage to us and we don't even realize.
They hit a checkpoint. Now might be a good time to stop them.
Deadbeat battlefield medicine. Let's dance! Leave them to Khonshu! Judge! Jury! Executioner!
Mine exploded plasma, just like mine. Uh-oh. Or a tiger.
This!
They faded halfway. Stop them. I am ready to put on a show.
Stand down! I'll be ship shape in no time. Let's dance! Fire behind! Watch out!
Keep going so deep for no reason, bro. I might lose this though, cause
The fat lady isn't
oh boy, this is not good. Actually, I'm not giving up, bro. I'm not giving up. Let's go. We have this. I believe in my team, bro.
That's the boost I need. Leave them to Khonshu. Coming through.
This is real firepower!
It's spider time!
Stand down. Take this.
I mean,
All right.
she's almost at her ult.
Don't rush in. Hostile forces incoming.
Final score 1-2-2.
I feel like I got trolled that game, bro. And they have 3 DP. I realize they have one attack and 3 DP, bro. Yeah, I think I trolled that for real. We could have played better. It's fine. That's the first game. First game where we trolled.
The right heroes could make all the difference.
A conversation that we never had. Replaying in my head. I say the right thing and you smile just like you used to. Took me way back to when I knew you. This time I don't make the same mistakes. I don't ever break your heart. You don't have all you can take. If we don't fall apart, oh, this can't be real.
Round 1, go!
Some things you can't run away from. I wanted the weather to change. Tried my best to outrun.
Being the Hulk isn't so bad. Greetings.
We'll be coming in 30 seconds. Stay strong.
Your souls united. It's nice to have another genuine force for good on our side.
My soul is not as pure as most may believe.
There's darkness inside all of us, son. Understanding it is what makes us human.
You're wise beyond your many years, Captain.
The battle starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You need to stop that vehicle in its tracks.
I'm hulking!
Hostile forces incoming.
Strong again!
Better stop that vehicle.
Stay right there! Hulk attack!
Good. I'm confused. If I'm in their face, where is there somebody behind them? What's going on?
Better stop that vehicle. There's still a chance to stop them.
We have bigger enemies to conquer. There is no escape.
They hit a checkpoint. Now might be the time to stop them. I need assistance. It's the grand finale. Us against the world.
miss. The moon haunts you. Lead them to conscience.
I need the smoke to be straight. I gotta get me some bands. I cop the 8 bike every day, borrow that shit from my man till I forgot to go pay. He told me never again, so I ain't even getting high no more. The mama flies, she got
Guard your rear.
There's still a chance to stop them. We should destroy these. A nice deep freeze. Grand finale. They are coming from behind. Us against the world.
Magneto!
Hell unleashed.
Hulk isn't the only one with a temper. Banner can smash things too, like instruments that don't work.
Of course I win, bro.
Hostile forces
Better stop that vehicle.
I'm hulking out! Hulk attack! Strong as
Now or never. Stop them. Friends, gather around.
What was I thinking?
We're outnumbered. You stop them in their tracks.
Try this again.
What was I thinking, bro?
Together to victory! Again! Again!
Don't give them another inch. Or else. Turn around quick. Shake it up. Angry.
I'll bet this is Moon Knight's doing.
Need some help. You stop them in their tracks. Shake it up.
Incoming!
God is watching!
I don't have to be center stage.
A feast for my crows!
It's us against the world! Only 60 seconds left.
incoming.
Bad guys, watch
Down
out.
to 30 seconds.
The moon haunts you.
Woo! Never miss.
Final 10 seconds. You'll have to keep fighting until you have hell unleashed.
Together, victory!
I destroy them.
Nice one. I can take it.
The current score is 0
Let's go.
to 2.
Let's go.
Time to switch things up.
All after these get 3.
Side you're on.
Oh, after these get 3.
You'll need a top-notch team to win this one.
Bro, I'm charging up my bro. I'm charging.
Young, think Chevrolet shot, you laughing ain't hard, but the devil ain't far. Yeah, got a hoe with no job. Yeah, wanna fuck my car. Yeah, hey, where your heart, man? If you suppressing enough, the decimals can make you special. If you press enough, the extra ones can make you stress it. Yeah, with the extra,
Round
the extra,
2,
the extra,
go!
exciting exodus. It's excellent. And make a young nigga reckless and reckless and reckless and reckless and oh shit. Nigga was poppin', fucking the most, counting up paper, counting up cash. Is it vibrations? Haven't I told you? It's a vacation.
30 seconds before you attack. Get ready.
What's the synergy that
We're a team, Steve. Buddy, we have to save the fools.
Not the first time.
Believe you can stop my grand scheme? You cannot say
The battle
never
starts
say
in
no.
5,
Can you say
4,
yourselves?
3, 2, 1. Help get that vehicle to its destination.
Enemy ahead.
Loki killing tree. Go home, protect.
A nice beat for you. You should destroy
Gamma shield. Hulk grateful.
And on.
I am the goddess. All the other gods. Soul resurgence is almost ready. Chin up.
Strong again.
Gather around. Hell unleashed. Us against the world. I suck. I put the on take on this. Time is up.
Magneto.
Get that vehicle moving again.
No smashing us now.
Let us save the green tree.
Hulk smash.
The vehicle reached a checkpoint. Keep up the momentum.
The moon haunts you!
Two's better than one, I guess. Together to victory!
Double KO. You're halfway there. Keep going.
Bruce, if you want off the...
Mortals use these. Shut up! Brian Banners.
Brian Banners. That's funny.
Behold the god of thunder!
Against the world. Keep up the momentum. Friends, gather around.
Almost there, guys.
You don't have to fight
Keep it
alone.
up, keep it up.
We don't stop until we reach Yggdrasil.
I'm hulking! Ow!
Feel better. Fight better.
Bad guys, watch out!
Hell's blades are an opportunity for combat.
Hammer shield!
That's it. Don't let anything stand in your way.
Hell unleashed!
No smashing us now!
Again! That's the Bucky I know. Again!
Turn around quick. Please stop, Spider.
Victory!
So close. Big chance.
Again!
Nice.
Final score: 3, 2, 2.
We went in. Everything.
Another epic victory.
Everything, bro. Don't play with Hulk, bro. Clinton, don't play with Hulk. Hey. See all those noobs? They gotta look up to me. I know what I'm doing. That's what I told Combo, please. I said, bro, you guys wanna be good? You gotta follow my way. One more match. Silver 2. Oh god. That's what I'm talking about. If we didn't lose that game, that would be Silver 2 right now.
I've been staring at the sun for 6 whole days. Staring at the sun for 6 whole days. Blinded by my own foolish ways. Staring at the sun for 6 whole days.
Pick your hero or villain. I'm not judging.
Freedom's an idea that will
Why do we
never
have 4
die.
DP? Okay. I guess I'm the only tank. Whatever.
don't stand up for what's right, who
30 seconds before you attack. Get ready.
Thor has spoken of you as his truest mortal friend.
He's my favorite thunder god, that's for sure.
Touching.
The battle starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All you need to do is capture the mission area. Got it?
Hydra made a bargain with an ancient evil.
Should have Timo chest off. Should have Timo chest off. Taking every kill I got into Timo. Hey, you guys lost that game?
I spy some bad guys.
You guys lost or won? I hope you won.
Looks like the mission area is yours to capture now.
That's the boost I needed.
Mission area is yours.
Who is this?
Stand down!
Oh, he does so much damage. He is doing so much damage to me. Captain America.
Your god is suffering.
Enemy ahead, catch!
That's okay, go for Star-Lord.
I'll be ship-shape in no time. Get in there. Coming through. Take this. Sorry, soldier.
This is real firepower.
What does this widow do? Well,
Psylocke's sword remains sharp.
I'll bet this is Moon Knight.
Oh, I'm basing his voice.
I'll be ship-shape in no time.
Are you kidding? Spider time!
Sorry, soldier.
I have to make sure I get in. How comes? Bro, how comes you still don't have the point, bro?
They've almost got it!
That's crazy. That is crazy.
Coming through. Enemy ahead. Prepare to engage. I'll be ship-shape in no time. No more magic, Moon Knight.
Let's keep fighting until we have a winner. More than half of the mission area. Keep going.
Mind the exploding plasma!
That's the boost I needed.
This is real firepower.
He even killed me. He killed everyone.
You'll have to keep fighting until we have a winner.
The moon haunts you!
I'll be ship-shape in no time.
Born again!
Let's dance! Sorry, soldier.
Watch me soar!
Nice. He went into the air. So we got it. Nice. That was really good, Jeff. Jeff is OP, bro. And then, you know, say out of the bot farm, imagine when people are toxic, yeah. And the bronze people have to start playing. Noobs. Bronze noobs.
30 seconds before you attack. Get ready.
A sniper and a ninja. Complementary styles.
True. We work well together.
Think we ever have before in another timeline?
Hard to know. Our kind of work doesn't get into the history books.
The battle starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All you need to do is capture the mission area. Got it?
Doom has overreached, and we must correct him.
Let's dance!
Your god is suffering.
Looks like the mission area is yours to capture now.
Needed that boost. Stand down!
The mission area is yours.
Coming through!
This is real firepower!
That's the boost I needed. Hostile forces incoming. Sorry, soldier.
Kill him, please. Nice. I think I played well keeping the zone.
Another day.
You've captured more than half of the mission area. Keep going.
Stand down!
Watch me soar!
Take this!
Your day ends.
I'll be ship-shape in no time. Coming through!
The area's almost yours.
Shooter! in no time. Take this!
You got them
Easy.
all.
That was a Jeff play. Bro, Jeff is so broken. The man does solo them, take them off of the zone, and we'll win.
Another epic victory. Big win.
Slimy shield. Bro, 97? Nah. Bro, why didn't no one just give me the win? Jesus. Just give me the win, man. I'm trying to climb. Please. I should be at goal 3 right now. LP system is definitely moving like League. I'm glad you know, bro. It's literally like League right now. Cause how the hell you going to give me 22 LP and before you gave me 50 LP? So what you trying to say? Hmm?
You'll need a top-notch team to win this one. Round 1, go!
Oh, fuck.
I do the absolute best I can every time.
30 seconds before you attack. Get ready.
Peter Quill.
Call me Star-Lord when we're, you know, out. I'm trying to build my brand.
That's right.
The battle starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Help get that vehicle to its destination.
There you are. No time. Assistance coming through. Watch your step.
I'll turn them into splinters for that group. I can heal.
I can tell the real Loki base. What?
Oh, I'm fine.
Yeah,
Live to fight another day.
I can tell the real Loki based upon how they move. Because even though there's like 5 clones, which is dumb.
It's spider time!
I'm going after them.
I'm wounded.
These come in real handy. Let's dance. Sorry, soldier.
Get that vehicle moving again!
That's the boost I needed.
They're hunting us.
Time to move, Spider Zero.
the checkpoint. Keep up the momentum.
Some sort of tiny robot. Take this! Coming through! Ship shape in no time. No one escaping us. Flying through! Let's dance! Power no longer.
No. I'm glitched. So that's embarrassing.
Coming through. Take this. Coming through.
Victory one.
This spot is worth.
We all know they felt that, Mantis.
Coming through.
You do not look happy.
Born again.
Nice.
Oh, I'm fine. Don't mind me. Coming through.
We'll clear this path for you.
Let's dance. Time to do something.
This time I need healing.
Let's dance.
Only 60 seconds left. Watch me soar!
Behold the god of thunder!
Down to 30 seconds.
I'll be ship shape in no time.
Spider Zero. Quantum.
Vehicle reached the checkpoint. Keep up the momentum.
Watch this place catch.
Sorry, soldier. Take this. Time to do some damage.
Your powers are mine!
Only 60 seconds left.
Rise, my friends!
Take this. Can't beat
Down to
Battlefield.
30 seconds. Get that vehicle moving again! The final 10 seconds! Friends, gather around!
Stand back.
You'll have to keep fighting until we have a winner.
Who will help?
All heroes are aligned.
Enemies are here.
Just here to do my duty. Ah, there you are. No escaping.
So close! This is your big chance!
I'll be shipshape in no time.
Behold the god of thunder!
Oh, what is?
I'm opening a portal. A stranger
I don't even know which one. Oh.
By the
He keeps switching.
Agamotto!
He keeps switching.
You got them all! The current score is 3-2-0.
Time lapse 0.
Time to switch things up,
Alright.
including which side you're on.
All we have to do is just block them, and we're silver 2.
The right heroes
did
can
well.
make all the difference.
Freedom's an idea that will never die.
Hey sir, where are you? Cool.
Round 2, go!
I fight for more than a flag. I fight for an idea. One bigger than all of us.
They'll be coming in 30 seconds. Stay strong.
Reality is ending, yet you remain calm and serene. How?
I have peered into the infinite void. There is nothing to fear.
If only we all could find such peace in the face of potential annihilation.
You shall see us.
The battle starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Whoever they are, they don't look friendly. We may have to ally with one Doom temporarily to defeat the other.
I'll be
You need to
shipshape in
stop that vehicle in its tracks.
Sorry, soldier.
Fuck.
Cheers to the Dr. Orange.
Spider mode.
Us against the world.
Never miss.
Legends shall never fall.
Not good. I think we can knock him. Think fast, Chris. Think
There's
fast.
still a chance to stop them.
Think fast, bro. Heal. Okay. Alright, we just go for. Let's try to start them in the second round.
Did you see that?
I'm never coming through.
Better stop that vehicle!
Chin up. I need it.
Rise, my friend!
Assemble!
Your powers are mine! Woo! Never miss!
That's crazy. I tried to hold it as much as I could.
You think I'm too old for this? Sorry, soldier.
Woo! I never miss!
Us against the world!
I'll be ship-shape in no time.
Wow. Am I going? Alright. Change the game plan, bro.
Better stop that vehicle!
Patience. I'll be ready soon enough.
There's still a chance to stop them!
A shield. How nice.
They hit a checkpoint! Now might be a good time to stop them.
Not good. Bro, they're doing so much damage, like it's ridiculous. Not good, bro. This is not good.
Better stop that
2 minutes.
vehicle!
Alright. See if I can protect my team, bro.
It's now or never! Stop them!
My armor's stronger now.
Woo! I never miss! Your powers are mine!
Us against the world!
Us against the world! Rise, my friend!
Another should grow to take its
That's why they call me magic.
Gamma energy growing.
Oh, they do not look happy. Quantum
Help, friend! You stop them in their tracks!
I have located one of our...
I need healing.
I have located strong again.
Only 60 seconds left!
Strong.
Assemble!
Down to 30 seconds.
Yo, this is gonna be a hard game.
The current score is 3-2-3. Time to switch things up, including which side you're on.
I think when I ulted, I messed up. I should use
You'll need
my
a
ult.
top-notch team to win this one.
Science solves problems.
I don't know. These games are getting harder, huh?
Round 3,
Being
go!
the Hulk isn't so bad.
Seconds before you attack. Get ready.
Saving the multiverse. Whew. That's new territory for us, huh, bud?
I am Groot.
I know, right? I guess you could say we're branching out. Yeah, no, I know.
The battle starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Only 60 seconds left. Let's get that vehicle to its destination. The current score is 3, 2, 3.
Oh god, here we
Time
go.
to switch things up, including which side you're on.
Oh boy. Here we go.
The right heroes could make all the difference.
Science solves problems.
Oh boy, we need a miracle. We need a miracle, bros. Yo, we need a miracle, bro. Yo, I need some music. I need some hype music right now.
Round 4.
Hulk isn't the only one with a temper. Banner can smash things too, like instruments that don't work.
They'll be coming in 30 seconds. Stay strong.
I remember the scientists who made you, Adam. They were not good people.
Is it not our role as men to rise above?
Yes,
our
this is what I
fathers?
need.
I suppose that's something I've been
This is
fighting to
something.
do every day of my life.
This is something to use.
It's not easy.
What good thing ever is?
Ultra instincts.
The
Let's
battle
go.
starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
I'm hulky! Ow! I can't let the monster out at the wrong time.
We need to stop that vehicle in its tracks. Only 60 seconds left.
Oh, what? Jesus. This is not good. Come guys. GG.
You were expecting the Hulk?
G friggin' G, bro.
Final score 3, 2, 4.
Bro, I hate this game now, bro. Man, I'm not even
Well, you can't expect to win them all.
no fun. Call back. I'm gonna say what myself. Hold on, give me a second. Bro, so you telling me I was so close to silver and this is what happened? This is what I deserve? Maybe this is what I deserve for real.
You'll need a top-notch team to win this one. Round 1, go!
If we don't stand up for what's right, who will?
seconds before you attack. Get ready.
Of course, 1 heal and 3 DP.
We have been at odds before, Captain. But we are more alike than either of us care to admit. What could you and I possibly have in common?
These kids are trying to make this game hard for me for no reason. Like, I don't understand. Like, why are you guys trying to? I'm literally trying to win the game, and then you guys are gonna like.
The battle starts in 5, 4, 3,
I feel like I play with people who know the logics of the game now.
Don't forget.
No more
securing
bronze
the
3.
mission area is
Get me
your
out of
top
that.
priority.
And I'm now a silver scrub. After that, gold scrub. After that, challenger scrub.
Here they come! Catch!
Why not?
Coming through!
I don't know what's going on.
Live to fight another day.
I think what's his name needs to just play Thor.
Widow is ready to deploy.
Get ready. Here come the
More
bad guys.
tentacles, more problems.
This!
Sometimes. Or a dagger.
You cannot hurt me. That's the boost I needed.
Just embrace the light. Go outside.
Behold the god of thunder!
We are undefeatable. To put on a show.
Enemies on your tail.
Trying to help.
Sorry, soldier.
Oh, she's just this girl just Thor. I just realized that she's helping that Thor out.
The fat lady isn't singing yet.
Mantis is ready to strike. Help is
I'll be ship shaking that time. Coming through.
I'm just on my old girl.
Only 60 seconds left.
I have one more shot at this shit. Everybody's using their ult. I just got my ult.
You made me angry.
Careful. That's the boost I needed.
Enemies are here.
They got behind you.
Poor creatures. He served a cruel king.
Down to 30 seconds.
We need to move.
Assemble!
Sorry, soldier.
We are undefeatable.
Behold the god of thunder!
I am ready to put on a show.
Let's dance. Just in the
Help get that vehicle to its destination.
The legends shall never fall.
Twas but a scratch.
Yo, this girl is just always like she's the only one that's killing me. At least we got the fucking.
Sorry, soldier. Squid soldiers down. Now onto the king. Catch! That's the boost I needed.
Help, friends.
Catch! Sorry, soldier.
Nice shooting.
Try harder.
Side is lethal.
Catch!
This package is
Sorry, soldier. Enemy ahead. Prepare to engage.
Only 60 seconds
That's
left.
the boost I needed. Catch!
Almost there. Don't turn back now.
Hell unleashed!
Squid soldier.
Sorry, soldier.
Behold the god of thunder!
Chin up. Friends, gather around.
Sorry, soldier.
We are undefeatable. Final 10 seconds. Fighting until we have a winner.
Oh wait. That's not good.
The current score is 1-2.
These tanks are doing very
0.
well. I can't even get my ult up, bro.
Time to switch things up, including which
Alright.
side you're on. Get that vehicle moving again.
Or deep, one of our
Right
DPS
here
has
could make
focus.
all the difference.
Freedom's an idea that will never die.
Their DP is doing crazy damage, though. Alright, you know what?
Science solves problems.
Play tank, bro. Like real tank. All I have to do is just stay in the zone, charged up. Can't afford to lose that. Have to win these guys. Come on, trust.
Round 2.
So bad.
They'll be coming in 30 seconds. Stay strong.
You're a famous pop star, right? Ugh, that is so cool.
I'm not moving from right there.
Over, maybe you could add me to your playlist.
Well, I'm really more of a classic rock kind of guy, you know.
Is he that strong?
But hey, you know.
He just walks and
if you
breaks?
don't happen to know
That's crazy. He's
The
not that
battle
strong.
starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You have to stop them from securing the mission area.
This is what humanity should be. I'm
Okay! Ow! Don't like this spot.
How would you
Don't
just
like
stay
this
right here, you
spot.
idiot? He can go kill off himself now.
Hold grateful. Hold protect. Can't win without Hulk.
Do your worst.
Stick around. Hulk happy to help. That was sharp.
Enemy in front of us.
knows one of them. Hack and slash.
Gamma shield!
Usually I create my own shield.
Bro, this DPS keeps dying.
Behold the god of gods!
I am ready to put on a show!
Only 60 seconds left.
I like the cold.
The last spider has left this nest.
Turn around, quick.
You man. Something. Something.
If at first you don't succeed,
Nice. W Doctor Strange. That was a W move by Doctor Strange. I'm not gonna lie to you.
It's spider time!
Come on, come on, please, bro.
No stopping us now!
Final 10 seconds.
Stay right there!
Nice.
Final score 1-2-0.
Nice. They didn't even get it. That's a good thing I pick out, bro.
Another epic victory.
Bro, that game was crazy. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. Holy shit. Of course. I hate that character. Everyone plays her. Silver 2. You're ranked higher than 92% of players were server-wide. What? Bro, that means everybody's stuck in abroads. want to continue on this? That's what I'm wondering. This can turn out dirty. Shit, this is getting toxic, bro. Do we continue? Alright. Don't want to get some sleep. Quick to fill out. Let me just get something to eat, like a snack, bro. Hold on. Hey, W Captain America, bro. Steve Rogers was a man, a man in space, perhaps. A man out of time, a man out of the. What? The fuck? There's no skill assessment 7 in the arm. Can't read all of this. $60 I can get that easy. Block 45,000 damage. I've blocked more than 45,000 damage already. What do you mean? This must be like more than 45. Bro, I get 30k in one game. So what do you mean? 3 KOs? Just 3 KOs? What? Oh, it's 30 KOs? What? I've reached, bro, at 9,000. You.
Assemble! Assemble! Sorry, soldier. Quite the power, sir.
Crazy. How much do I have to get for a skin? In game? Can I get in game currency? 1,600. I have 200. I'm nowhere near that.
Smash!
I didn't know Hulk could knock down flying enemies. What? Why is this skin more? Ah, yep, that's it for me. Except for silver too. Go to bed.